Hey guys, I'm Johnny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite treats. It is a Starbucks lemon loaf. This cake, it is so delicious, very fluffy, so lemony. I know you will love it, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is to mix our dry ingredients. In this bowl, I have my all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and cornstarch. I like to add cornstarch to this. It is optional, but whenever I add cornstarch to any cake or cookies, it makes them nice and soft. It changes the texture, so you can omit it, but it is really nice. I am going to make this cake using a hand electric mixer and a bowl. In this bowl, I have my softened butter. Into it, we're going to go ahead and add some granulated sugar and lemon zest. Make sure that when you're grating your lemons, you only use the yellow part because the white part can become bitter. So using a hand electric mixer, mix everything together until it's nice and smooth and fluffy for about 2 minutes. Now adding your eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. To this mixture, I'm going to add some yellow food coloring, but this is very optional. I just want my cake to be nice and yellow like the one from Starbucks. Add some sour cream. Sour cream makes this cake really moist and soft. Add some milk, all your dry ingredients, mix everything together until well mixed. And I almost forgot your lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Use a spatula to scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl to make sure everything is incorporated well. I am going to make my cake in this loaf pan that is 9 by 5. I grease the bottom, I place some parchment paper on top. You want to use something like parchment paper so your cake comes out easily and it doesn't stick. Adding your batter and spread everything evenly. We're gonna bake the cake at a 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Check at the 45-minute mark, insert a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, your cake is ready. My cake baked for exactly 50 minutes. I'm going to let it rest in the counter for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to brush my cake with this lemon mixture that I made. It is a syrup, a lemony syrup. I use just powdered sugar and fresh lemon juice. Mix it all together and just brush it on top and allow your cake to cool completely. And to make the glaze for our cake, in a bowl, I have some powdered sugar, and to that, I will add some fresh lemon juice and milk, and mix everything together. Once your cake has cooled completely, spread the frosting on top, and slice yourself a piece. If you like this recipe, guys, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. It really helped my channel. If you want to make the recipe, it will be on my website, johnnycooking.com. I really hope you get to try it. Tag me on Facebook or Instagram, and I see you next time. Bye.